Yes.
I love SpongeBob.
All right, we're getting ready to start the 3D printing of the Sweet Victory SpongeBob. This is Dan. What do you got to say?
SpongeBob.
Good enough.
Wow.
I love Beetlejuice. Yay.
Dressed like Beetlejuice.
We do.
Alright, here we go. It's a big file. Magic.
This is anticlimactic.
Magic.
Diggly di dee do do.
Wait, Daddy,
do.
Well, and then it's gonna...
Hey, quick, get your phone.
Guys, ready? Alright, it's going.
Alright, it's going. And it's going. This is the most exciting moment of my life. Look at that. It's not doing anything.
It's warming up.
I know it's warming up. We'll come back when this thing's warming up and already printed. The first layer. It's so blurry. It is drawing it out. This is amazing. Smell that plastic. Beautiful. All right, take 2. Let's keep this going. Take 3. What? I'm being honest. Yeah, this take 3. Some things just gotta take more than one try. All right, this is the 4th time we're trying different filament here. I don't know which kind this is, but it's a lot higher quality than whatever this is. So, we'll be back in 21 hours and 56 minutes. We have 13 hours and 9 minutes left before SpongeBob. And we've had to redo this so many times. I don't remember how many times it is now. Do you?
5.
5. We changed the filament, and that changed everything.
Yeah, we got rid of that crappy filament. Went to some good stuff.
Yeah. Alright, SpongeBob. He's pretty much done. We are reprinting his body here. And so we got legs, hat, hand, and all this other good stuff. I'm just getting ready to work on SpongeBob. And of course, I'm going to put some glaze and spot putty on him. I got gloves. Got this respirator, because you really want to wear a respirator when you do these kind of things. Really do. I had a lung problem for a while from doing different things like this because I didn't wear one of these. So it's a great investment. Save your lungs. But first, I'm going to sand any little imperfections. A tip when sanding, don't look when you're feeling it to make sure it's smooth or not. You really want to make sure that if you can, What? We're waiting every night to find our little faith and find newcomers to play with us. For many years we've been all alone. 5 nights at Freddy's. This where you wanna be? I just don't get it. Why do you wanna stay 5 nights at Freddy's? It's like there's so much new things I never fought in more. To decay, faith that is coming, nobody's gonna know what to think. I'm pulling the souls, I'm forced to take the road. Many years we've been all around this place. In order to achieve perfection, what I'll have to end up doing is probably just resin print it, but I'm not gonna worry about resin printing because I could not get it to print. So I'm not gonna worry too much about layered lines. I just got down from where all the supports were. So once the Bondo cures or the spot glazing putty, I will go back, sand what I need to sand, just enough to fix a few things, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I'm about to get sick. You can probably tell just a hair in my voice. So I'm gonna do as much as I can to SpongeBob before it all kicks in. So I'm gonna put them together. I'm probably not gonna show that, but it's just a bunch of glue.
Well, I don't know how much you have of me, but it's probably been a week since I've done fixing SpongeBob here. But I'm gonna use some of this adhesion promoter, and this is just gonna help with the next layer of paint stick. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick.
Oh, time for some primer. This is not the primer I should be using.
I can't hear you.
Until I get it, which will probably soon. Alright. Well, it doesn't need any impression improvements, but some filler primer will really benefit it. This is him after the matte black spray paint. Now I've got some filler primer. I'm getting ready to spray him. So here he is. He is primed, spray primed. He's got little imperfections with the 3D printed lines, but honestly, this should work just fine. I got my paints. I'm probably going to have to get some brushes. I don't have any good brushes at the moment, but I'll see what I can do. Alright, so this is so far how SpongeBob looks. I'm going to get some enamel paints and paint the red. I don't like the way the red's looking on this, so I'm going to make it really pop. And so, until I get the paints. he is. This is my sweet victory SpongeBob that I 3D printed. I would do a few things over. I would definitely get him resin printed next time, and because there's still some print lines and stuff, but it still looks good. A lot of imperfections. I'm a perfectionist, but I had to get on and move on. This was definitely very fun to do. I didn't have to do a whole lot of sanding. The way it was printed was really good. In some spots you can see the lines, but it's really not that bad, and I think it looks great. That's all that matters. I'm glad I have one of these. But anyway, I'm Mr. Brandon Shepherd. Thank you for watching, like, comment, and subscribe. Be happy and love one another. I'll see you in the next one.